Hello everyone. Hi, Shubham Medkar, Web Executive at ISA Visit. Welcome you all. You are now watching how to create a responsive services and testimonial section for our portfolio website using pure HTML and CSS only. In the previous video, we have learned how to create responsive header section. If you haven't visited that video, then I will suggest you to just go through it once. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Inside head tag, you can observe we have included necessary links which I have highlighted and about which I have explained you in the previous video. They are nothing but just some Google font and CSS file links. Mind you that we are not using any external frameworks like Bootstrap etc. but just developing with pure HTML and CSS only. So let's now dive into our body section. So as you can see, I have given heading to our My Services card section with a horizontal tag just for aesthetic purpose. Let me now explain you how we are going to build logic to display our 4 services card. I have first created a parent row division. So the main purpose is to create a row which can accommodate 4 columns in it. And in each column, one card can be fitted well. So for the same logic, we have created a model for each card and repeated it 4 times as we want to display 4 cards in our My Services section. As you can observe, the highlighted part which says that we have a column division and further which it has another division for card. Then in that we have included all the content which we want to display. For example, image, title, paragraph, content, etc. This is now repeated 4 times. Here we are now ended with the HTML structure of the CSS card. So this is now repeated 4 times. You can observe this is the first time. I'm just scrolling down. This is the second time. This is the third time. And at the last, we are having our fourth card styling. Now, let's build our testimonial HTML structure. We will now go for a slightly different approach or logic than services card. There we had to deal with 4 cards, that is even number of cards. Here we have to deal with 3 cards, that is odd number of cards. Hence, to avoid ambiguity in styling, we are just naming class names differently. Here you can observe that we have declared our parent division test, inside which we have our child division container. We are now building a model for our 3 testimonial cards. In this highlighted part, you can observe we have main division as box and content as a subdivision inside which we are including all the matter we want to display. And it is now repeated 3 times as we want to display 3 testimonial cards. So let me just quickly show you. This is the first time, this for the second testimonial card, and let me scroll down again. So this is for the third testimonial card. With this, we have done complete HTML part of the My Services and Testimonial webpage. Let's now make our plain, boring HTML into an aesthetically pleasing webpage by styling it. This highlighted property allows us to include padding and border in all elements, total width and height through this asterisk CSS selector. Up next, to style our columns, we have routed our columns side by side and given width of 25% each to properly display all 4 of them in a row. To remove sideways margin and clear floats after the columns, we style our row division. Next, you can observe we have styled with the font family property our heading, that is h2 tag, and paragraph tag. Next, let me highlight this card section. Here we have given some styling and some small on-hover animation effect to our cards. Next, we need to make our cards responsive in nature. So, with the help of media queries, for tablet view, we have aligned cards 2 in a row, and for mobile view, we have aligned cards 1 in a row. Let's now quickly style our testimonial section. We are using CSS Flexbox property to align our cards. We are here aligning and giving flex property to our test class. Now, to align our three testimonial cards properly in a center, we have styled this container class. It is now time to style our box class. That is, each testimonial card as our box class is under container class. We have accessed our box class like this and styled it. Following it with, we have now styled our content inside the box, that is paragraph, user image and the user heading. Now we have also given border radius to our testimonial cards for smooth appearance. Let us now write media queries for testimonial cards. As you can observe that our section of code is taking care of making our testimonial cards responsive in large tablet and mobile size views. So let's now run our complete services and testimonial web page. I will go to our HTML file, right click and select open in browser. So as you can see, we have completed developing this beautiful services card with little on-hover animation effect along with this testimonial section. So let's now check the responsiveness nature of our web page. I will right click and go to inspect element. We are now viewing the laptop view of our My Services and Testimonial section. You can see it's completely responsiveness in nature. Now let's go back to a tablet view which is 768 pixel. Here you can see four cards are getting converted into 2x2 fashion and testimonial cards are also responsive in nature with this alignment. So let's now go to our mobile view. In mobile view, you can see the 2x2 cards are converted and getting completely 100% width for one single card. Let's now scroll down and you can see testimonial section is also getting responsiveness in nature. I will also serve for other mobile views, smaller view, medium view and the larger view. So with this video, we have successfully created a services and testimonial section. If you have any other method or logic on creating this services and testimonial section, do let us know in the comment section. The complete source code is now made available in the description box. Please feel free to check it out. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you find this tutorial very helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to ISA Visits channel. See you in the next video.